Hey, good morning and welcome back once again to the shop here at New Traditions in Somerset, Indiana. New Traditions, dulcimers and ukuleles and woodcrafts and all sorts of fun things. It is a beautiful day outside. The sun is finally shining. It's January something, 11th or 12th or something like that. I just wanted to share with you one of the things that I'm getting close to completing is we have two lines of ukuleles. One is the performer and the other is the artist. The artist ukulele is finer woods, bindings and stuff like that. It's more of an instrument. It's more costly for me to build and yada yada yada. It's for the artist. It's for the performer who is going out and or the collector. We have a lot of collectors that collect our ukuleles and our dulcimers. But anyway, we have two models. We have the artist, which is the super fancy model. Here's a back of an artist model. This is Pistachio from Central California. And then we have the performer model, which is a lower priced instrument. And they're usually made of solid mahogany that I've had around forever. It's a very old mahogany, but it's wonderful in tone. We were able to mill it very thin. Got the wood from a fella up in Springfield, Oregon years ago. So we still have some of this and we make our performer models. And like I said, they're less expensive than the artist, but they're not as frilly, they're not as fancy. They don't have bindings, they don't have the high quality master grade woods. But this is what I'm working on today. This is number 250. This is a mahogany performer body. I just put the pore sealer on it just a few minutes ago, and I'm trying something new with my pore filling, and it appears to be working. I've got a really nice sheen on there. And we were able to get this wood to where we were able to mill our sides out of one continuous piece. So in our milling process, we were able to get like 40-inch pieces of mahogany that we were able to mill down to the thickness that we use for our ukuleles. So this is it's really cool, a one-piece side instrument, a one-piece top, and a one-piece back. It took a while to get everything milled out to be just right, but it worked, and we were pretty thrilled about it. So anyway, this is a performer model. It will soon be a performer model ukulele. This is the body for one. As you can see, there's no binding around it. We do have a simple rosette. The neck will still be hand-carved mahogany and with a rosewood fingerboard and position dots, and we'll either have sealed tuners, or we ordered a new tuner that should be here tomorrow. I believe tomorrow is Wednesday, I think. We should have some new mechanical tuners that are coming in that we want to check out for our ukuleles. But that's it. That's what we're working on here today. A bunch of these performers, and we really do. We sell several of these each year, and they always sell with case. I really am pleased with the sheen that's coming off of this. So when I go to apply my finish, it should be a little bit nicer than what we've had in the past, I think. I'm not sure. We'll have to see what happens. But that's it. This is a serial number 250, and it should be done. This is Tuesday. It should be done at least with the neck and everything, and perhaps even strung up by Friday, and will be for sale online real soon. New Traditions, performer ukulele. Not much else going on here right now. Well, that's kind of not true. We've got we're in our soprano mode. So here's soprano number 251 in its mold. I'm putting the linings in right now today. We still have dulcimer number 856, I believe it is, being worked on. I've just kind of switched my processes. I still have these two ukuleles that I'm working on, my artist. This is Myrtle, and this is Pistachio. So those are still being worked on. And that's about it. From beautiful New Traditions Homestead in Somerset, Indiana. It is a gorgeous day out. Sun is shining. We are so pleased. We do rely on solar quite a bit here for our animals, for our animal protection. So we're glad to get some solar charging going on with our fences and get a little bit of just some sunshine. It's been a pretty miserable time here this last week or so. New Traditions. Performer ukuleles. No binding. Great sound. Great sound. Beautiful sound. Pretty much the same type of bracing that I use for my artist models. There's a little bit of difference, but as you can hear, there's a nice resonance in this. It's a well-tuned ukulele for sure. There you go. Have a great and glorious day. Lord bless you guys. We'll see you next time.